They're there for 2 hours. They get paid $13 an hour to work at school. How cool is that? Practicum is the final year in culinary for students, they're seniors. And these are the kids that are serious about culinary, whether it be a chef or some type of avenue in the food service. The students have the opportunity to either work on campus here in our cafeteria or work off campus 4 days out of the week.
One of the jobs is like you can be a server and serving the line, or you could do stuff in the back like condiments or just cooking food.
I'm able to get a job, and I work with really nice people. And I also get to learn about how it is in back of the cafeteria, how everything works out.
I really like cooking the food, but also it's pretty fun to help serve the kids.
It is true hands-on experience in the culinary profession. The next level certification is a management certification. It's a 5-year certification. This is like adult stuff. I mean, it's not easy terminology. Managers have it, and these are high school kids. Now, one of our kids, Jaden, works outside. He applied and everybody was calling him, dude, you got your management certification, why don't you come? So not very many students, teenagers have that, so it's very exciting.
At 17, I'm able to get a management position already. I walked in here, I was like, oh, I'm be the best chef in the world, right? I mean, it more of they taught me how to cook. I was holding the knife wrong. It took me like 30 minutes to cut peppers when I first started. I could cut them in 30 seconds.
We get the opportunity to experience what it's like to work in a fully functional kitchen. You get a lot of on-the-job experience because every day that I'm at school, I'm in there cooking.
CFISD offers so much for so many people. It's CFISD for all, and I moved here just to work in CFISD to take this position. So having all these opportunities for students in real life careers that they can use right now, hands-on, is just amazing.